Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome to the video. Today we're gonna be doing a fall try on haul from SHEIN. It's fall, y'all. Ew. It's fall. You know what that means. Sweaters, new fall clothing, shebang shebang, all that jazz. So hopefully you guys enjoy. If you do, smack up that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, okay? It's super simple, it's free. So, do it. My hair is so annoying today, I don't know what to do with it. It literally doesn't even matter. You're perfect and you're beautiful in your own way, and I hope that you truly believe in that, because we're too hard on ourselves, you know? We're way too hard on ourselves. I am extremely hard on myself. We are our hardest critic. We're our worst critic. We always see the imperfections that people don't see, you know? And it's like the tiniest things too that we like pick out from ourselves. So don't be so hard on yourself. Understand that you're beautiful. I think you're beautiful. And yeah, love yourself, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and do a try on haul. On with the first outfit, please. Now the first thing that I got was this top. I got these pants. I don't really like them on me, but I mean, they're cute if they actually fit properly, okay? But the top is really nice. It's really has lots of greens and like oranges, as you can see. Now for the pants, I don't like them because, I mean, obviously, but they look really cute from the back, you know? I like the bottoms of them. Really cute. That part ain't doing it for me. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Yeah, that part ain't doing it for me. My hair ain't doing it for me. I look like a mess today. Alright, outfit number 2. And now for this one, I got this cool, intricate top. I really like it. I think it's fun. You know, you can always like put a jacket over it or like even a belt, which I got some accessories as well from SHEIN. I don't know how to like, I don't know if it'll like look good with this necessarily. Ooh, actually maybe. And I don't know if this is how you even like wrap it around, but I think this is how you do it. And then the pants are like the same situation. Not a fan. I mean, I like them. I think they're cool. But I guess because like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do we like it? I mean, it's like a little baggy style. Ooh. You can let me know in the comment section. But I really like the top. I think the top, this, is really cute with it. And then I think with some blue jeans, it would really look nice, you know. That is outfit number 2. Let's go off to outfit number 3. I got kind of like the same shirt style except in like a chocolate brown color. I really like this one. I think the color is very nice for the fall. And keep in mind too, okay, these other items that I got for the fall, you have to understand my personality and my style. Like, I still like to bring in some like fun colors and patterns and all that kind of stuff, but I really do like this. And then the pants, I don't know about the pants either. I like the color of them, but again, these are like baggy style, so I don't know if that's like your vibe or whatever. Again, like, what do we think? Maybe if I paired it with heels, with some boots, would maybe be cute. You know, it's still kind of cute. I wish I had pockets, but again, I think it's kind of cute, you know? And even if you wanted to throw on, like, I got this like this think it'd be cute even if you went, maybe even like layered it or something. I don't know, like something cute. I like the layering of things. But yeah, what do we think? Is it cute? Do we like it? Ooh. Alright, and that brings us to outfit number 4. Now for this one, I got these cute little overalls. I just kept on the same top. I would probably change it to a different color top, but I don't know. What do you guys think about the brown with the black? Do we vibe with it? Do we like it? Again, they're still baggy. Now those are the overalls I ended up getting. Also, what is up with my hair, dog? I'm about to put this up. Oh my goodness. My curls are literally flying everywhere. But curly hair is very unpredictable, so 10 out of 10. Gotta love it. Oh my goodness. What are these curls? What are you doing? You need to make up your mind on how you want to live your life on my head. But now that brings us to outfit number 5. I think outfit number 5. Now you're probably thinking, Renee, you still have the same top on without the turtleneck up underneath. What's so different, huh? Well, you guys have already seen the bottoms on my Instagram, but these are literally my favorite pants ever. I think they're so fun and unique, and I actually really like it with this top. I paired it with a green colored top in my Instagram post, but I think they're really cute and they're just different, you know? Call them my party pants. But yeah, thumbs up on those. Really like 10 out of 10. And who is that? Somebody's driving in front of my house and they seem suspicious. I know a lot of other people really like those pants too, but surprise, surprise, now you see them in a video, you're like, oh, okay, all right. And something I'd really love for you guys to do, if you could drop a comment down below. What's been your favorite thing to see in this video so far? Then let me know, all right? You could either pick number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the numbers that I'm giving you. Or you can just try to describe it as well as possible, all right? But now, since you've seen the pants, we're gonna go off to outfit number 6. And now for this next one, the only thing that I put on was this plaid jacket. And then I did show you guys this one that I did try on as well. So it's kind of similar, but a little different. Both are very baggy. So if you are tiny like moi, these are small, but they are really, really baggy. But I think they're really cute. So, and the color is perfect. It's like pumpkin perfect. Yeah. The last things I'm going to be trying on is just going to be tops. So yeah. What is this? 7, 8, 9? I lost count already. Also, I don't want any of you guys to judge me. I know this is not fall, but I thought this would be really cute to wear on stream. And I had to get it. Look how fun. Look how cute and colorful. Oh my goodness. And like with the jeans too. Oh, to die for it. I think we've already established that this is pretty summery. But I think it's cute. So yeah, don't judge me too hard. But I thought it was really cute and I had to purchase it, so. And I had to slip it in. I know it's a fall haul, don't come for me. Alright, next outfit. And off to the sweater portion. Alright, I really loved the purple and the blue in this. I honestly did not expect these sweaters that I got to be this comfortable think of it. And then this one I found was just really fun. You know, I'm just like, my personality, with fashion at least, my personality with fashion at least is just from like, you know, neutrals to like classy, but then there's like a side of me that really likes to have like fun with colors and like, you know, I just like to liven things up and be different. I don't like to fit into a certain category, but yeah, look, let me know what you guys think. I don't know what else to say. I'm like, ooh, cover girl. Work it. Ooh, I look like a bird. A majestic, marvelous bird. Alright, now we're going to show you the last one. So, do you see this? I am a hot mess, y'all. I am a hot mess. Alright, we're gonna show you guys the last one, and then I'll show you guys the shoes that I got, and yeah, then we'll wrap it up. And last but not least, hey. Alright, and lastly we have this cute, fun, I don't know, I think these pieces are so me. I like how it's cropped, and then like the sleeves are just like so cute, and like I don't know what else to say. I feel like girls, whenever it comes to fashion, are just like, oh my gosh, it's so cute, it's so cute, oh my gosh, that's so cute. Crazy. And here's the shoes that I ended up getting as well, which I ended up wearing these with the green pants and the green top on my Instagram post, but they're just like cute little boots. And then these ones I got, which are the same exact color basically. I didn't want to take too much of a risk because I know with me being so small, some things probably wouldn't have fit, which I'm really shocked that both the shoes do. I like these because they lace up in the back. Like, I wouldn't say it's like leather, but it's like the leather feel of it up front for the toes. But these are really cute too, and yeah, that was it for everything from the fall haul from SHEIN. So if you guys did end up liking it, like I said, drop a like, smack up that sub button, hit the bell, and do what you gotta do. But I really love you guys and appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. Maybe drop some hearts down below in the comment section as well, and I will see you guys maybe in stream or another video. Alright, bye y'all. My hair is so funky today. My hair so funky today. Fall, triumph, fall, triumph. I'm a little crazy for your baby. Yeah. Alright, we're out. Peace. Later.